All right, guys. So if you're wondering why I'm replacing these, that's why. Focus. And that's why I stabbed the hell out of my palm trying to grip that. So I know these lines are thick, like just pressing on it, they're like hard, but I still do not trust them. So yeah, they are steel braided. But I mean, that's not the only reason why I'm getting rid of these. So if you can focus. Yeah, you see all that residue in there? Yeah. It's like caked all in there, not just at the entryways or exits of these things. So yeah, look at that. Holy crap. That's the main reason. So, trash. Yes, that is my trash-ish pile. Trash/sell-ish pile-ish. Besides the hood and the bumper. Anyway. Alright. Yeah, let's continue on. Just gotta get these two guys off and then we'll start cleaning. Alright, sorry about that last time lapse. Camera thing is broken. Janky. Running obviously into a problem. So, just like the lines, these are saturated and dirty as crap on the inside. And so, I'm already running into a problem. Like I stuffed that down already, down this side a couple times. Cleaning it up pretty well, but especially these like 90-degree ones, like I'm worried there's gonna be stuff stuck in this bend. So, and then this guy, this guy I cleaned extensively, and there's still, like, it's hard to tell because it's red. Can't tell if it's that is like residue or just like chip paint. But I'm assuming it's residue. I'm gonna have to. Anyway, my point is there might be so many crusties in these guys that it might, contaminate the fuel right off the bat. So, and these are going like right on there. This is like engine bay, like crucial pieces. So, I mean, I got these cleaned up pretty well. That guy has a chip on it. I'm gonna look around online and see, cause like the thing is, these run for like $20 each. So that's like 2, 4, 6. 8, that's like $100 just for these right here. And then, 1, 2, 3 for the Y, $30. It's gonna be like $200 just in fittings, which will be detrimental to my budget because these guys were already detrimental to my budget. I was hoping those 2150s, which I thought were 1200s, would be good enough, but they're not. Also, I'm really worried about these fuel pumps, if they're going to be functional or not. And they've been sitting in fuel, and I put them back in fuel after I took them out, so that's my fault. It's because I'm lazy and I haven't drained any of my containers. I need to drain those guys so I can suck out all this E85 out of this car, because it's been sitting for like a year, so the gas is bad anyway, and E85 is bad anyway. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up for tonight. I won't get to the fuel injectors for now. We're gonna wait on those for tomorrow, hopefully. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. It's a few days later. just work has been a little crazy, and I just did some research to figure out what I should do with these guys. So what I figured out that was just a simple solution. So what I figured out would be a simple solution was just stick in my bucket with soap and water. So far, here they are. So I know I gotta brush all that stuff off. But other than that, like I scrubbed insides a little bit, and it's looking pretty minty already. And so I just have a small brush here. This is a bottle brush, like a baby bottle brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go back and forth, like dip in water, scrub, 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 scrub. And then once it's done, I'm gonna spray it with carb cleaner. Any residue that's still left over. So I'm gonna do this to all the fittings, even the ones I cleaned with carb cleaner, T-fitting. And this is gonna save me like $200 worth of fittings. And so once I get this done, then I can start getting the lines all mocked up and start cutting the lines. You guys see this? These are the old WRX piping for a front mount intercooler. So if anybody's in the market, sell it for like $100 or whatever, $150. But package came in yesterday for these guys. Yeah, got this all mocked up. So I mean, they're pretty flexible right now. So I mean, technically it's supposed to be like right there for that, and then this guy is probably gonna be backed up against like that. But that all fits now, so it's pretty cool. I just gotta get everything all situated. Like I want all the cob symbols facing up, then get the worm gears all in there, all strapped down except for these end ones, and keep those untightened down because obviously I still gotta drop the engine in there. So I still have to get the bolts for the underside of the front mount, as you can see there. And I think, oh yeah, you see that tab there? I gotta bend that tab because I swear this guy had a front mount. Oh, it doesn't look like it. I don't know. I don't know what this guy was trying to do with this thing. Seems like he has a crap ton of like supporting mods to support like 700 horsepower, but then he had like stock headers on there, or stock upright. All right, let's get into this. Hey guys, welcome back. It's now Monday morning. I just want to wrap up this video with this little guy. This is the X-Rev Super Tester ethanol testing kit, and I tested the fuel that is in the tank right now. As you can see, it's about done leveling out. I had to do this twice just for verification, and look at that. That's pretty lean ethanol. Probably like 86, 87, E86, E87. So that is good. That means this whole tank, man, smells like booty. It's good. So I can keep that. Don't have to drain it now, which saves me a lot of time, a lot of trouble, and a lot of money. I don't have to go searching for E85. So now that I'm thinking about it, I may have to siphon this out and go the pump gas, but then I can put all this in jugs and save it for the dyno. But yeah, we'll think about that. All right, guys, if you like these videos and everything I'm doing with the car, go ahead, drop a like, drop a comment, and we'll see you guys on the next one.